All right, IED. I'm going to show you real quick how to make a box for the cupcakes for the 1.4 Suite Improvement Design Project. If you don't have my class, if you're watching this on the internet just randomly from somewhere, keep in mind that these boxes may have different dimensions depending on what teacher you have. So if you're going to try to fit stuff inside the box, seek clarification as to what size of boxes that we're doing. It's very easy to make, so we're just going to click on sketch mode, go to the top. We're going to click the rectangle tool and we're going to create a rectangle. For me, I have boxes that are 8.5 by 7.5. So I'm going to type in 8.5, enter, 7.5, enter. Then I'm going to hit finish sketch, go to the extrude button. I'm going to extrude it up, and it gets extruded up a total distance of 3.5 inches. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to see that that actually works. To get this hollow on the inside, I took some measurements of the thickness of the actual cardboard on the outside, and I'm going to click the shell command to get this thing to hollow out. So I'm going to click on the shell command, but the thickness isn't going to be 100 thou or zero point 0.1 inches. It's actually going to be more like 17 thou. So it's going to be 0.017 inches. And whenever you get that, that box gets real thin real quick. But that's the box that I have. So I'm going to click the green check mark, and these are the boxes that we're using for our cupcake holder in design. And whenever we start using Onshape to 3D model the type of packaging that people are going to put inside, that's what we're going to, this is the box that we're going to use. Y'all are more than welcome to use this kind of box, but if you're in a different class, please make sure that you get clarification with your teacher that this is the one that you're actually going to be doing. Y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.